Lucy Jane. What are you doing? Can you smile? Can you smile?
Put a video on me. Another video.
Oh, are you jealous? Oh, shoot.
What?
I was trying to see if I could get Lucy Jane to smile.
No.
Oh, that's a grumpy face. Why do you have the grumpy face? Lily, you got to have a video too. No smile, Lucy Jane. Your sister just slammed the door. Ooh, you don't know any different. Welcome to the rest of your life.